Not every important SUV arrives with a dramatic redesign. Sometimes, the vehicles that shape the future are the ones that quietly earn people's trust, year after year. That's exactly where the Honda Pilot finds itself. In a market filled with bold styling, massive touchscreens, and promises of revolutionary technology, the Pilot has taken a different path. Instead of chasing headlines, it is focused on something millions of families value even more: confidence. The kind of confidence that comes from knowing your SUV will handle school runs, cross-country vacations, unexpected weather, and everything in between, without asking for attention. That's why the 2027 Honda Pilot matters. Not because it's trying to reinvent the family SUV, but because it may prove that reliability, practicality, and thoughtful engineering still have a place in an industry obsessed with constant change. Before we continue, if you enjoy automotive stories that explore why certain vehicles shape the future instead of simply reviewing them, consider subscribing to the channel. Every week, we look beyond the specifications to uncover the ideas, trends, and decisions driving the world's most important vehicles. Now let's explore why the 2027 Honda Pilot could become one of the smartest choices in the modern SUV market. The three-row SUV segment has become one of the most competitive battlefields in the automotive industry. Families expect more than ever before. They want spacious interiors, advanced safety systems, premium technology, strong fuel economy, and enough versatility to handle daily life without compromise. At the same time, the market itself is changing. Hybrid powertrains are becoming increasingly common. Electrification is no longer a future concept, but an expectation. Luxury features once reserved for premium brands are now appearing in mainstream family SUVs. That means vehicles like the Toyota Grand Highlander, Kia Telluride, Hyundai Palisade, Mazda CX-90, Ford Explorer, and Chevrolet Traverse are all fighting for the same buyers. Honda understands that competing with flashy features alone isn't enough. Instead, the Pilot continues building its reputation around balance. It isn't the most luxurious SUV, it isn't the most powerful, it isn't the most futuristic. But it consistently delivers something many competitors struggle to achieve: dependability without sacrificing comfort. The 2027 Honda Pilot arrives at a time when families are thinking differently about long-term ownership. Rising vehicle prices have made reliability, resale value, and everyday usability more important than ever. That's where Honda has built decades of trust, and rather than abandoning that formula, the Pilot continues refining it. For many buyers, that's exactly what makes this SUV worth watching. The latest Honda Pilot already marked a major shift in design, moving away from soft, rounded styling toward a stronger and more confident appearance. The 2027 model is expected to build on that direction rather than reinvent it. Honda understands that family SUVs don't need dramatic styling changes every few years to stay relevant. They need timeless design. A wider stance, cleaner body lines, upright proportions, and a more rugged front fascia give the Pilot a presence that feels substantial without becoming aggressive. It's an SUV designed to age gracefully, something that matters to buyers planning to keep their vehicle for many years. That philosophy continues inside. The cabin isn't trying to overwhelm passengers with giant screens or futuristic controls. Instead, everything feels intentional. The dashboard remains clean and easy to understand, anchored by a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument display on higher trims, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and over-the-air software support. Physical buttons for frequently used controls remain, allowing drivers to make quick adjustments without digging through complicated menus. It's a small detail, but one families appreciate every day. Comfort has always been one of the Pilot's biggest strengths. 3 spacious rows provide room for up to 8 passengers, while the second row offers generous legroom and easy access to the third row. Flexible seating configurations and a large cargo area make the Pilot just as capable on weekend road trips as it is during the daily school run. Premium trims continue raising expectations with leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic moonroof, Bose premium audio, ambient lighting, and higher quality cabin materials that bring the Pilot surprisingly close to luxury territory. The Trail Sport model adds another dimension to the lineup. With rugged styling, all-terrain tires, and exclusive interior accents, it appeals to buyers who want a family SUV that looks ready for adventure, even if most of its time is spent on paved roads. That's the Pilot's greatest strength. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone. It simply understands how modern families actually live, blending comfort, practicality, and thoughtful technology into a package that feels effortless every time you get behind the wheel. The Honda Pilot has never been about headline-grabbing horsepower. Its strength has always been delivering smooth, dependable performance that families can trust every day. The 2027 Pilot is expected to continue using Honda's proven 3.5-liter V6, producing around 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, it delivers confident acceleration while remaining quiet and comfortable during long highway journeys. Front-wheel drive is expected to remain standard on most trims, while Honda's intelligent all-wheel drive system continues to be available for buyers who regularly face snow, rain, or unpaved roads. On the road, the Pilot prioritizes refinement over excitement. The suspension is tuned to absorb rough pavement with ease, steering feels predictable, and the cabin remains impressively quiet even at highway speeds. It's the kind of SUV that makes long family trips feel less tiring, which is exactly what many buyers want. The Trail Sport trim adds another layer of capability with an off-road tuned suspension, steel skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a more advanced all-wheel drive system. While it won't replace a dedicated off-roader, it gives adventurous families the confidence to explore beyond paved roads. Fuel economy is expected to remain close to the current model, averaging around 19 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway for front-wheel drive models, with all-wheel drive versions returning slightly lower figures. Looking ahead, electrification may become the Pilot's biggest evolution. With competitors introducing more hybrid options, many expect Honda to eventually bring a hybrid powertrain to the Pilot lineup. If that happens, it could deliver improved fuel efficiency while preserving the smooth, dependable driving experience that has always defined the nameplate. For now, the Pilot continues proving that sometimes the best family SUV isn't the one with the most power. It's the one that performs consistently every single day. The 2027 Honda Pilot is expected to remain one of the strongest values in the midsize three-row SUV segment. The current model starts at just over $40,000, while well-equipped trims such as the Elite and Black Edition can climb beyond $55,000. For 2027, modest price increases are likely, with industry estimates placing the entry-level Pilot around $42,000, while premium trims could approach $58,000 depending on equipment and destination charges. That positions the Pilot directly against the Toyota Grand Highlander, Kia Telluride, Tal Palisade, Mazda CX-90, Ford Explorer and Chevrolet Traverse, yet Honda isn't trying to win with the lowest sticker price. It's competing on long-term ownership. Strong resale value, proven reliability, and lower maintenance costs continue making the Pilot one of the smartest financial decisions in its class. For many families, that's more valuable than having the largest screen or the most horsepower. The Pilot doesn't just aim to be affordable on day one, it aims to remain rewarding years after the purchase. Family SUVs earn trust through more than comfort and practicality. They earn it by helping protect the people inside. The 2027 Honda Pilot is expected to continue offering the latest version of Honda sensing, including collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, blind spot information, and rear cross-traffic monitoring. These systems aren't designed to replace the driver. They're designed to reduce stress during everyday driving, whether you're navigating heavy traffic, long highway journeys, or busy parking lots. That approach reflects Honda's philosophy perfectly. Technology should work quietly in the background, giving drivers more confidence without making the experience feel complicated. The 2027 Honda Pilot may never be the loudest SUV in the showroom. And perhaps that's exactly why it continues earning the trust of so many families. While much of the industry races toward bigger screens, flashier designs, and increasingly complex technology, Honda continues refining the qualities that matter most: comfort, practicality, reliability, and the confidence to handle whatever life brings next. The Pilot isn't trying to redefine the family SUV. It's proving that thoughtful evolution can be just as valuable as dramatic reinvention. As electrification and new technologies continue reshaping the market, the Pilot stands as a reminder that the best vehicles aren't always the ones making the biggest promises. Sometimes they're the ones quietly delivering on them year after year. So what do you think? Will the 2027 Honda Pilot continue to be one of the smartest family SUVs on the market? Or are newer rivals beginning to pull ahead? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy automotive stories that explore the ideas shaping tomorrow's vehicles, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more journeys through the ever-changing world of automobiles. Thanks for watching.